All right, so we're going to be using NSOLVE. Actually, just minimize this right quick. Not sure if you guys remember or how to use this, but we go here to the main menu. We go here to the calculator, then we go to menu, algebra, and then numerical solve. And then all you got to do is just type it in. So 4w minus 3 plus 5w equals 6w plus 10 minus 8. Let me just make sure that's the last thing. Okay. Then you got to do comma w, then press enter. So it gives you that here. Remember that you can always go back up, press enter, and then you go to menu, number, and approximate to fraction. And it'll give you 5/3. Now, when we're doing that, like let's say you don't have this calculator, but you have to do it on decimals. So I'm also going to do the same thing, make it as simple as possible for you guys. And then instead of going through and actually solving this by hand, which you can, but right now we're actually just trying to make sure that you pass the START test. So we're going to, first of all, separate these two expressions on both sides of the equal sign. And then the next thing we're going to do is rewrite it to make sure that we have, instead of a w, we have an x. And that equals 6x plus 10 minus 8. So it's important to change it back to x because what we're going to actually do is graph them. So we're going to graph this, and we are going to graph this here. So we're going to separate them into two different things. All right, so we have 4x minus 3 plus 5x. So x minus 3 plus 5x plus 5x. So then we see our first graph here. We're going to come here to the bottom. 6x plus 10. 6x plus 10. Minus 8. Minus 8. Let me close this out. So we want to see again like where these two lines intersect. And so we just click on any line. And we see that it crosses here at 1.6667, which again was the same thing that we got here when we did NSOLVE. So we want that x value, 1.667. Because this is probably like a fill in the blanks or your table. So here, or griddable, I mean, 667. So normally it'll tell you like what to round it off to, but that would be our answer right here. Right, this